Hello guys, today we got this 2011 Ford Mondeo. The customers called us up for a check of the DPF and also a clean now. We've come out, we've looked on the live data on the diagnostics, there's DPF fault codes, the sensor seems to be reading accurately and also matches up with the manual pressure checks that we do. So the sensor's looking all good and reads perfectly fine. However, the manual pressure check and the sensor actually both confirm that the DPF is blocked, so we're going to go with a full DPF clean on this one. We try and get some snaps of the pressure readings and stuff so you can see that as well. But yeah, this is what we're on today, guys. You had the engine malfunction light on the dash, the engine light on the dash, and obviously a lot of power loss as well. So we're going to clean it all out, do all the resets, and then if he's got time later on, we're going to go for a test drive and see if he notices any benefits. Right guys, just flushing into the DPF now. This one is an underneath job, so it's a bit of a pain. However, nothing that a quick jack can't get to. This one's actually a lot easier to access than I believe the newer Mondeos. The newer Mondeos, they tend to cover a lot of the exhaust, so it's a bit of a struggle sometimes. But we're going to flush into the DPF, which is that big long cylinder piece there. If you're not sure what a DPF looks like, have a closer look. So this one's nice and easy, well, easy enough. So we're going to flush into this now. When this is finished, let it all soak, and then we'll perform a couple of flushes out with performing passive regens. So we'll do that. We don't force any regens. We like to have control of what we're doing. So force regens is a big no-no for me personally anyway. And for a lot of us. We're just flushing out of the DPF now. We've let the chemical soak for about 35 minutes. We're just flushing out already. You can see all the foam coming out of the exhaust. So there's quite a bit flying out of there. Once we've done this first flush, we'll test the pressure again, and then we'll do a couple of flushes afterwards, just to make sure that's all done, and we'll get back on the road. Here we are again at the end of the DPF clean. And we're at 4.3 millibar, which is great. Again, it was reading 45 or so, I believe, earlier, so we've managed to drop it quite a bit, and that is more than clean for a DPF, so that's great news. Another successful clean.